Hi. We're at Whiting Road Park today with 8 wheels.
Yeah.
The first time in forever.
This is the first video here. And we're wearing these.
Yeah, it is.
Okay, we're gonna have some fun.
Yeah, my dad needs to get his helmet on.
All right, so we're 8-wheeling it. We're on a blue trail at Whiting Road Nature Reserve. It's new bike day for Gigi today. It's new bike day for Jack. Well, new used bike day for Jack. All right, we are cruising. Everybody's helmets have been upgraded except for Gigi's. We've all gone smart. Whoa!
Sorry.
Oh,
You got it.
you could have done that one.
It's an easy one.
Jack's off. You're just riding all over all the routes. All right, what are the trail choices up there? All right, I can stay on the blue. Let's go blue to the yellow, wherever the yellow is. Go left, we're going on yellow. Let her rip. We did this one last time, easy peasy. Yep, you just zipped on right through it. There you go. Yeah, all we would hear is pedal, pedal.
Yeah.
Yep, there was lots of pedal pedals when we did pedal pedal pump track. That's a pretty bike.
Good job. Good job, McKenna. Good job.
So last week Gigi was riding around all the roots and bumps. Today she's just going over all of them. She got a big upgrade to the Ibis Ripmo AF. Wow, look at the leaves. There's so many leaves. Jack's up there probably in his glory. He's got a bike he can speed demon on now. So I should pull brake it over behind you. Oh, all right, use the little brake, baby. Monkey, look out, we're coming through. Just stay right there, just don't move, we're gonna go right by you. And walk on up behind us.
Okay. Better wait for me up there.
Yep, we'll wait for you. Oh, she's gonna make it.
Yeah.
That's the first time you've ever made it up that hill.
That was a nice view.
Come on, you got it.
Look at that.
Nice work.
Good job.
Yep, water, go for it, have some water.
I can't.
Huh?
Here, I'll try.
Oh, the other.
Oh, yes. Oh, ooh.
Gigi's cross country in it. Woo! Whee! We use the easy gears all the time, monkey. That's why we gave you 8 of them. Here they come. Here come the girls. Zooming. Zooming. This is true. We were for a while keeping track of the fall score. I stopped counting when it became like 10-1. Oh yeah, we got a nice little downhill here. And he's gonna let it rip. Send it, full send. Sweet. All right, down the little hill. Yep, go ahead, just keep on trucking. Oh yeah, bump off them roots. Do a little tech. Big root. Like a roller coaster, down and up. Watch the roots. Good job with the brakes. Wow! Stay a little left and go around the roots. There you go. Good job. All right, brakes going down. Use your brakes going down. Nice one. Good job. Oh, and then this is a tough uphill. Go as far as you can. Go as far as you can. See if you can make it farther than Jack. All right, we left Annie behind a little so we could just do the downhill fast. Now we're going back for her. There she is. Oh, running with her bike. Of course she should. This is an awesome trail.
Great trail.